doon po kay Sir Laraga po, tumawag siya sa akin. Tapos siya daw yung inutusan na magkokolekta sa pera na ibibigay ko na SOP po, Your Honor.
Sabi niya para ito kay Luot.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Magkano yung pera na binibigay mo?
120,000 a month po, Your Honor.
Now, from what Kerwin has bared before this hallowed chamber, his statement has effectively established the following: that we don't know each other ever since. He has no personal transactions either by phone or in person. That no jail visit had ever happened in 2015. Number 3, that from the very beginning, the intel report that was fed to the President, which was made as the basis of my name being dragged, is in fact baseless and fabricated. That the alleged conduit between Kerwin and I, a certain Police Chief Inspector Leo Laraga, is not known to me. I don't remember knowing him personally, or was he ever assigned under me in my previous unit assignments. In his statement before this body, he also denied knowing me, as he denied having received payola intended for me. Si Kerwin at si Police Chief Inspector Laraga ay parehong hindi ko kilala. Kung nagsasabi sila ng totoo, klaro na may nakinabang ang binigyan ng pera matapos gamitin po ang pangalan ko. Clearly again, I was a victim here of name dropping or influence peddling, a practice done by subordinates which is very common in the PNP. Kung ikaw ay commander, lalo na ng isang operating unit, may kredibilidad at mabait at madaling maibenta yung pangalan mo at mapagkitaan ng mga influence peddlers. Kung basihan natin ang hierarchy of payola ni Kerwin na nagdepende sa ranggo ang laki ng ibinibigay weekly, klaro na may low-ranking police officer or non-commissioned officer na gumamit ng pangalan ko para lumaki ang take niya weekly. He is just careful enough to demand an amount that will not require Kerwin to double-check. Otherwise, had he asked for 1 million or 3 million monthly, Kerwin would have demanded for confirmation from me either by phone or in person.
So you are denying of Kerwin's accusation?
Yes, Your Honor.